Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another haul. As you can see, I have a little bit of a shopping problem going on. I ended up shopping a lot from Zara H&M sale. So Zara और H&M का मेरा ये yearly video है I feel like because sale आता है तो I make sure कि I am collecting those basic pieces from these two brands because their quality is good, the price point is kind of affordable when they are on sale. I end up shopping quite a bit every single year, and this year also I shopped a lot from Zara. Somehow for some odd reason Zara में ना last में मेरे size के pieces available रहते हैं and I end up finding the ones that I am looking for. इस बार भी ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ, so हम लोग मॉल गए थे किसी और काम से and I was like randomly let's just check out Zara store without any expectation, but I ended up finding a lot of things right here as you can see, and I'm very happy with the stuff that I got because they are all such pieces that I would use for years, and they are all staples, and Zara has such good quality of such pieces, so I'm really excited to show it all to you guys, and I'll put all the links and everything in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Let's just begin. So first up, I got this really pretty top from Zara. Now this color is so pretty. I don't have anything in this color and that's why I just had to pick this. This pattern is somewhat like peplum, but it's cropped, so it looks great on like pants or jeans or even skirts for that matter. It looks really nice and it's such a versatile piece, and I can't wait to overuse this piece. Next up, we have this really pretty skirt from Zara. Now, by the way, Zara had some really great pieces when it came to skirts and shorts and skirts. I had to literally stop myself from buying them all because I was out of control. Like Didi had to stop me. And there's one more skirt in here, so I was kind of maxed out for my skirts this season. That's why I just picked this one because it was so different from what all I have in my wardrobe. It's such a nice skirt, I would say. It has a little bit of shine going on, which makes it kind of party wear, and if styled properly, it would look super nice, super chic and cute at the same time. So yeah, I just got myself this and I can't wait to style it on a dinner or to a party or something like that, and it would be great for my events too because I do attend a lot of events. Next, we have another skirt. So I am a big denim skirt girl. Like I love myself a good denim skirt, and my old one was kind of rugged and it was very old. I was wearing it for I think 5+ years and I just had to upgrade it because I wear it a lot. I saw this piece and I instantly fell in love because of the shade, because of the fit and how it looks on me. It was quite affordable too after the discount, so I just did not overthink this and I got myself this really pretty skirt. I've already worn it outside once and it looked really nice. It was so comfortable. Plus Zara ka denim fabric kuch to different hai. I don't know what they do, but it's super breathable, super comfortable. You just feel like you're wearing a pajama or something. Like the comfort is that level. So yeah, Zara denims are. Next up, we have this trouser. So it's a straight leg trouser and it's a very beige off-white kind of a shade which goes with maximum colors. Like this caught my eye and I was like, okay, let me just try this on. If it fits right, then I'm definitely going to buy this. So I tried it on. It looked great on me and my body type. I was like, okay, where was this all my life? I absolutely loved how this looked on me and how this made me feel. It was quite inexpensive for a trouser, to be honest, plus the quality that you get in this price is insane. Like the fabric is so soft and breathable that you don't feel like you're wearing a trouser first of all, and the overall how overall fall of this trouser is so beautiful, which you get only with good fabric. So whenever it comes to bottoms, trousers and all of that, always invest in good quality stuff because they look something else, they look different, and you can't like debate with me on this. So good. So next up we have a pair of jeans which is brown in color, which is very unusual for someone like me. Like I usually stick to my basics when it comes to denims, but I spotted this. I love this color. I didn't have anything in this color in my wardrobe like bottoms mein, so I was like, let's just try it out because my job is styling pieces and this would be a great piece to kind of experiment with and style, and just I wanted like a change. So I got myself this, and I'm really happy with this purchase too, because it looked great on me when I tried it on, and it just fits right, fits me perfectly on the waist, on my butt, and overall. And the fabric again is very, very soft, so you feel like you're wearing nothing, but it's just amazing. So if you have not tried denims from Zara, you're missing out. So try it out and get at least one pair of denim for yourself from Zara, and you'd thank me later. By the way, I got like a pretty steal deal on this denim, so I'm really, really happy with my purchase. Next up, I got this really cute jumper. I mean, it is two-toned and it looks very, very smart when I style it with like a pair of denims. And I absolutely fell in love the minute I saw it. My Didi found this, by the way, in the store. So kudos to her. But yeah, it's like a nice staple in your wardrobe. Plus, I didn't have a lot of jumpers, so I was actually looking to buy a couple of new ones because I might go on a vacation very, very soon, and that's why I'm just collecting stuff. Hint, hint. But anyways, this one's really cute. I love the color, and it's like super soft. So whenever you wear it, you feel like someone's hugging you, and it's just the best feelings. Next up, I got this really pretty jacket in this really pretty pink color. This instantly caught my eye in the store, and I was like, I have to get this one because it's such a versatile piece. Like, as a person, I tend to feel cold, and even in this Mumbai weather, like now it's raining, so it's a little bit colder than usual. So I like to put on a jacket and just sit around. And even if I'm stepping out like for a movie or something, then I tend to feel cold in the theater. So this is a perfect fit for something like that because it's not too thick. So yeah, it's great for layering. It looks really smart when I style it. I've already worn it outside and it looks great. Next up, we have another jumper. It's in a very pretty burgundy shade, as you can see, and I like how it fits me because it looks a little oversized, but in an appropriate amount, if you know what I mean. Like, it looks very smart when I style it with like a pair of jeans and a belt or something like that. Again, it's something that I got for holiday purpose, not to wear in Mumbai obviously, but it has like the softest wool, and it looks very, very smart. So I think it's a great addition to my winter clothes. Lastly, we have another denim from Zara. It's in this beautiful white shade. Like, it's a proper white color. I know it's a bit risky, but I thought that it would look really nice if I style it properly. And also, I don't have anything in white when it comes to jeans, denims in general, and I've never worn it actually. So I thought it would be a nice way to experiment with my style and see how it looks on me. Again, this fits perfectly. It looks great on me, and I was like, I found my size, which is rare, so I picked it up without thinking much. So that was it from Zara. I got a bunch of things from H&M too. So I found a couple of things offline and a couple of things online. I placed the order and it was supposed to be delivered by today. That's why I was delaying to film this video. But for some reason, I think because of the rain or something, the package is not delivered yet. But I'll insert a picture over here so you can see what I ordered. So firstly, I got like a basic white tank top because my old one was quite rugged and I wanted to upgrade it. So I got like a basic one right here. And then I got this really pretty tube top in this olive green color. I am currently into tube tops a lot, and I really thought that this would be a nice addition because I can style it with so many of my new bottoms that I recently bought. Like, it would look great with these off-white trousers or ivory trousers or just a pair of skirts or something like that. And you can style it up, style it down depending on the occasion. So yeah, for the price, I think I got a steal deal, and that's why I got this one. Next, we got a pair of black trousers. So these are flared trousers, and this is something that I wanted for a very long time. I found this exactly in my size, and it fits me perfectly. It looks great on me. Plus, I got a pretty good deal on these trousers, so I just had to pick them up. And lastly, I have something that's unusual. I usually don't buy a lot of beach wear because I'm not a beach person, but I'm manifesting a holiday very, very soon. So you never know, it might be a beach vacation too. So I found this really cute beach top, like a bikini top basically, and it looked very, very nice on me. So I just picked this up, and I can't wait to kind of wear it on the beach and maybe layer it with a shirt or something like that. It would look so beautiful. So I'm just really looking forward to this one. And yeah, with that, this haul comes to an end. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this one, enjoyed watching me splurge on my clothes and spending my money. I don't know, but yeah, that was pretty much it, my mid-year sale haul. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and share this with your girlfriends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.